Going to a four-year college just was not in the cards for me.
It was always a misconception that you have to go to a four-year university to make something of yourself.
I really wanted to do something that helps people, so I had applied to Fox Valley Tech to get me on the right path.
What's the difference? Cost is a huge factor. I don't want to be spending $10,000 to $30,000 per year. That's a minimum.
I started in the business management program and I did really good in my math and accounting courses. And so I'm like, all right, maybe I'll double major in accounting as well. I'm actually going to be graduating with my second associate's degree and I'm going to be debt-free.
I've had a lot of friends who started off at a four-year. Start here. Start here, get those credits out of the way, and then transfer.
I think one of the best kept secrets that we have here is that we are the start of that. We are the path to that level of education. By getting your hands-on skills first, you can get to work right away. So you can start earning an income, making a living, building experience, furthering your career.
They're so hands-on here, and you're not going to get that at a four-year college. Yes, it's challenging, but it prepares you.
You're learning things firsthand. You're working on your soft skills and your hard skills at the same time. Working to make sure that I am actually starting to know what I'm doing so I can serve in the real world.
I went to a really small high school, so it was very comforting that it was the same class size of 20 people or less. You get to bond with certain people and they are going to be with you throughout this whole program.
The instructors at Fox Valley Technical College, they are a game changer.
My teachers were amazing. They will do anything to make sure that you succeed.
We always tell every student that we're never going to quit on them. As long as they come determined with a positive attitude and positive work ethic every day, we can get them to where they want to be. I think it's really a commitment of lifelong support. They know they can always come back to us for support throughout their entire career.
And I remember walking into this facility and I was like, wow, the technology was updated, the feel was modern but comforting. It felt like a really good vibe.
I actually described Fox Valley Tech as like a home away from home.
When I'm here, I'm not a number.
Since I came back to school, I have had no regrets. I've learned so much, not just in the classroom, but about myself as well, that I needed to learn in order to be in the position that I am now.
Working in the legal community, we can help people. It's really, really rewarding.
One of the things that I'm most proud of is just seeing the impact that we as a college have on the individuals and the industry partners that we work with and what impact that collectively has on our community around us.